Washington today, Republican Congressman Michael McCaul brought together pharmaceutical executives, physicians, and health advocates, all in an effort to find new treatments for pediatric cancer. Washington reporter Jeff Bennett was there and joins us with details. Jeff, this is something Congressman McCaul has done for some time now.
That's right. Congressman McCaul hosted the 5th annual Childhood Cancer Summit. Pediatric cancer survivors and their families were in the audience, listening to speeches from the head of the National Institutes of Health, the president of MD Anderson Cancer Center in Houston, and the chief medical officer from Johnson & Johnson. Congressman McCaul kicked things off.
We realized that children really didn't have an advocate in Congress. Children afflicted with this disease don't have lobbyists. And so the whole point of this caucus was to give them a voice.
The summit was focused on a couple central issues. That's allowing terminally ill cancer patients to gain access to treatments that might be effective but are not yet approved by the FDA, and encouraging drug companies to develop treatments specifically for pediatric cancers. Now, companies have been reluctant to do that because the research and development costs billions of dollars, and the drugs just aren't that profitable. Now, speaking of research, the head of the National Institutes of Health put in stark terms how federal budget cuts are putting scientific progress at risk.
And so scientists are spending more and more time writing grants instead of doing the research, getting rejected, getting discouraged. Recent survey said 18% of young scientists are now considering leaving the United States because it's so difficult to have your research go forward in this climate.
But Collins added the U.S. is where so much of the scientific talent is. Now, McCaul said the event was important to raise awareness not just among the public, but more importantly, among policymakers. Reporting in Washington, I'm Jeff Bennett. Back to you.